So in the last videos, we covered very clearly up to the problem number 126, right? So in today's session, let me talk about 127. Sir, what is this problem? Okay, let us see how you can able to solve this problem. Sir, here you can able to see the title of the program is nothing but array reverse. And what is the description? We have to write a program to reverse the elements present in the array. Okay, we have to perform the reverse of elements. Okay, reverse the elements present in the array. Okay, so let us see how you can able to do. I think not elements. I hope you have to reverse the array, it seems. Okay, 1 minute, sir. Yeah. So let me see the sample test cases. From the sample test cases, we will get clarity about that. Okay. So 127th problem. So have a look once, 127. Sir, you can see here 5 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, reverse of the array, not array elements, reverse of the array. Okay. So that means array is same, sir. But instead of moving from left to right, we have to move from right to left. I think this is not a bigger task. Generally, what we are going to do for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, we will print the array elements, right? Print a of I we will print. Now you have to take for I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. It will be sufficient, right? Please confirm, is this logic is clear for you people? If this logic is clear, I will go with the program. Yeah, Pavan Sai, please make sure that it is not a string. It is nothing but array. That's why we can't take length of s minus 1. You have to take length of the array minus 1. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So let me go for direct implementation, sir. I want to solve this problem by using C language implementation. How you can able to solve this in C language? Let me take C language code. Integer n I want to take, a of 100, so I is sufficient. Now first we have to read size of the array, ampersand n. Next we have to read array elements, I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I am reading scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I. So next we have to print the elements in reverse direction. So I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus we have to take. So printf, I am taking percentage d followed by space a of I am printing. So it will print all the elements present in the array. Yes, and submit the code. You can see all the test cases are passed successfully. Okay, now I want to implement the same code in Java. I want to implement the same code in Java. Let me go for Java implementation and let us see how you can implement in Java. Scanner obj.next int n is equal to obj.next int I am taking. So what are the required variables we required? Sir, we have to declare I. Then integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So what we have to take, a of I is equal to obj dot next int. We are reading all the elements in the array. Next, what we have to do, you need to print in its reverse direction. I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So what we have to do, system dot out dot, so print of a of I, so plus followed by some space we have to take. That's all. Let me run the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. Yes. So this is nothing but how you can write in Java. So I want to implement in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. So how you can able to implement this program in Python? Select the problem statement and select Python code. So n is equal to int of input. Next we have to read a list of elements, int of I, for each I in input dot split. Okay, I accepted all the elements. Sir, now for I in, okay, in the reverse direction we have to print, right? Sir, L of colon colon minus 1 I will take, so that the list will become reverse. So I am printing every element present in that list. So even not only strings, sir, if you want, you can reverse even the elements present in the list. Successfully it is running, and let me go with final submission. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. You can print, can directly we can print L of minus 1. No, it will print in the list format, Pratik. It will print in the list format. But our requirement is element by element we have to print, right? That is the situation. Okay. Why split method is required here? Because maybe you are new to this batch. I mean 730 batch. So in the arrays, whenever you are reading the input, so in Python we don't have any arrays concept. That's why we are reading this entire line as a string. Based on spaces we are splitting the data, and then we are storing in an array. I mean we are storing in a list. So that is nothing but the given string we are splitting based on the space. Whatever elements we are getting, that elements we are converting to integer and we are framing in a list. Like that, we will get an array. Clear? Why n minus 1? Can we take, why these many problems we are getting? Why n minus 1? Because if n is equal to 5, how many elements will be there? 5 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Okay. Yes. So let me go for next program, sir. So this program is easy. List and array are same in Python. No. List is different, array is different. Pavan Sai, list is different, array is different. Two different terminologies, not same. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Sir, even if you don't know about anything, please ask very freely. Okay, I will clarify your doubts, because learning at very beginning stage is very, very important. That's why I am requesting everyone. Okay. So increment every element in an array by 1 unit. Sir, you have to increment every element in an array by 1 unit. I think no need to write any program for this. I mean, no need to explain any logic for this. You know very well. So once if you see sample test cases, you are going to get some idea, sir. Observe carefully. Sir, they have given 5 as a array size. 5 elements are there. You can see here addition of, I mean, for every element present in the array, we are adding one value. Sir, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Like this we are getting. So if you take 4, 10, 11, 12, 13 is there. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Like this we have. That means we have to read the array elements. So for that array elements, what we have to do? You need to add one, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? I'm requesting everyone to please respond. Is the concept is clear for you? Right, friends. So let me go for first, I want to implement the program in C language. So how to implement integer a of 100 I am taking, I is required. Okay. So next, nothing is required. N is also required. So first I am reading scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. So what is our next requirement? We have to read array elements. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So scanf percentage d ampersand e of I we have to take. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. So we have to print the elements, print a percentage d comma a of I plus 1 we have to take. That's all. So every array element I am adding by 1 unit. Sir, you can see all the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see here all the remaining test cases also satisfied successfully. Let me go for Java implementation. Sir, I want to solve this problem in Java. Sir, in Java also the concept is the same or not? Yes. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of within bracket system dot int. Next integer n is equal to obj dot next int we are taking. Then some variable I is required. So integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I is equal to obj dot I am taking next int. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So system dot out dot println of print of. So within bracket e of I plus 1. So plus some space I am giving. That means every element is added with 1 and I am giving a space. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So all the test cases are passed successfully. Now I want to implement in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Python? N is equal to sir, I am taking int of input. Okay, I have taken the list. Now for each I in list, like this I am taking. Let me run and submit the code. One minute. Yes, sir, this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C, Java and Python. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? I request everyone to please respond. Any doubts, friends? Yeah. Please tell what we have in question logic. Have a look once. Implement a program to increment each element in the given array. We have to increment each and every element present in the given array. Okay. Clear? Chauhan. Yes. Right, friends. So let me go for the next challenge, sir, which is very, very important. Maybe you will get some confusion. Please have a look once. So LBP number 129. What is this challenge? Sir, number of duplicate elements present in the array. So implement a program to find number of duplicate elements present in the given array. Sir, we have to count how many duplicate elements are there, sir. That is our requirement. Observe carefully. We require a count value. If you take 5, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 like this we have. Sorry, 3. Sir, how many duplicates are there? So 1 is repeated. So 1, 2, it is also repeated. So total 2 elements are there. 4, 111 and 2 I am giving. So how many duplicate elements are there? I am not asking about how many times it is repeated. I am asking, sir, how many duplicates are there? One duplicate is there. Okay. Sir, here you can able to see how many duplicates are there? No element is repeated. So 0. 3. Sir, how many duplicate elements are there? Actually, one element duplicated 3 times. Like that count is nothing but my requirement, sir. So do you know how I am going to implement this logic is, I will declare an array with size 999, all the elements as 0, sir. Observe carefully. Better I will go with B array. Now, for each and every element present in the array, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. Sir, I will do one small operation. What is that operation? Is B of, sir, A of I plus plus I will take. Do you remember? B of A of I plus plus I am taking. Okay. Now, what is my requirement is nothing but if B of I is greater than or equal to 2, then I will perform count plus plus. Sir, how this algorithm is going to work? Just have a look once by taking this example. Sir, here a of 0 is equal to 1, a of 1 is equal to 1, a of 2 is equal to 2. Sir, a of 3 is equal to 2. Remember carefully, sir. A of 4 is equal to 3. I won't repeat second time. Now, sir, for I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 0, b of, sir, b of a of I. So a of 0, a of 0, already its value is 0, sir. Okay, plus plus I am taking. So what is its value will become b of a of 0 means what? 1. B of 1 plus plus. Sir, b of 1 is what? 0. 0 plus plus. That means what? 1. Which value is 1, sir? Do you remember? Sir, b of 1 is 1. Okay, fine. Next, b of a of 1 plus plus. Okay, sir, next I am taking b of a of 1 value is what? 1. Again plus plus. Already b of 1 is what? 1, right? Now b of 1 will become 2. Next, sir, b of a of 2 plus plus I am taking. So what will happen? Sir, b of a of 2 is what? 2. 2 plus plus. Previously b of 2 is 0. Now b of 2 will become 1. Similarly, sir, b of a of 3 I am taking plus plus. So that means what? Sir, I am taking b of a of 3 is what? 2. Plus plus I am taking. So that already it is 1. Now it will become 2. So b of a of 4 plus plus I am taking. So what will happen? Sir, b of a of 4 means what? 3. Plus plus I am taking. Sir, what will be the answer? B of 3. Initially it is 0. Sir, now b of 3 will become 1. Sir, now observe carefully. B of 1 value is 1. B of 2 value, sorry, B of 1 value is 2. Sir, B of 2 value is 2. Sir, B of 3 value is 1. That means the element 1 is repeated 2 times. The element 2 is repeated 2 times. The element 3 is repeated 1 time. Now, whenever the value is greater than or equal to 2, such type of elements only I am counting, so that we will get the number of duplicates. Sir, please confirm, is this logic is clear for you people? Please confirm, friends. Is the logic is clear for you people? Yes, Pratik, correct. Sir, listen carefully. Suppose, forget about this, all these things. Observe carefully. Suppose if I am giving 5 elements, 11, so 22, sir, 11, 33, 33, like this I have 5 elements are there. So in this, actually how many duplicates are there? 11 is one duplicate, 22 is not a duplicate, 33 is not a duplicate. Hence my expected answer is 2. Okay, sir, please don't send any message when I am drawing on the screen. If I click to open that message, everything will be gone. I told already. Please wait. Okay, sir, now observe carefully. I am creating a B array with all zeros. How many elements I am taking like that, sir? 999 elements. So first time I am getting 11. Then B of 11, sir, B of 11. Already 99999 elements are there. All elements are 0. B of 11 is also 0. But B of, sir, A of I means what? First element 11 plus plus I am taking. That means that element will be incremented by 1 unit. Next, similarly, 22k means what? Somewhere B of 22 will be there. What is its value, sir? 0 previously. Now the element came, it will be updated. Next, B of, sir, again 11 came. That means this will be incremented by 1 unit. 33, since it is a new element, new entry will be there. It will be updated to 1. Now, sir, again the same element, it will be updated to 2. Remember carefully, you are having the values from 0 to 999. Sir, all these values are assigned with 0. That means 0 times these values are there. somewhere 11 is repeated 2 times, somewhere 22 is repeated 1 time, somewhere 33 is repeated 2 times. Just I'm capturing this value because more than 2 values are there means it is the duplicate, right? So such type of counters I am taking. Please confirm, is it clear for you? Is it clear now, friends? Yeah, sir, is my voice is clear, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, Sushant, correct. Is my voice is clear? Please confirm. Right, friends. Yes, compulsory. If it is greater than or equal to 1 means, no, greater than 1 means, yeah, greater than 1, not greater than or equal to. So because 1 means only one time it is there. Okay. Yes. Sir, let me go for C language implementation for this problem. Let me go for C language implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in C language? Sir, I'm implementing in C language. Of course, I explained the logic very clearly. Just implementation is there. So integer, I'm taking A of 100. So N must be required. B of 999 is equal to 0. Fine, I is required. Now, even counter is also required, right? Counter is equal to initially 0. Sir, first we have to read size of the array. Percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I. Then, sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am taking every element. Pratik, you can take B of 100 also. So I am talking about the elements. B of 100 means what? The elements value we are considering it as index. That means if your input contains the elements which are lesser than 100 means it will work out. Suppose if you have elements which is greater than 100 means it won't work out. That's why max I take 3-digit number, beyond that nothing. Pratik. Yes. So now I'm going to apply this logic. B of A of I plus plus. That's all. So finally, for I is equal to 0, I less than. Okay, how many values you have to take, sir? All these 999 values I am taking. I plus plus every element I am comparing. Boss, if your B of I is greater than or equal to 2 means count plus plus. So finally, I want to print the value of count. Beyond that, nothing is required. So let me run the program. Yes, all the test cases are passed. And submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases passed or not. Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, what about Java implementation? How you can able to implement this program in Java? Just have a look once. Same code only. So first scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in. Next, and after that integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking, I must be required, count is equal to 0. Next, so integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am reading a of I is equal to obj dot next int. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than, we have to create a b array. Integer b is equal to new integer of 999. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 999, I plus plus. So what we have to take, b of a of I. So plus plus I am taking. That's all. Sir, for I is equal to 0, sorry, 1 minute. I less than n. For I is equal to 0, I less than 999, I plus plus. So what we have to check, if your B of I is greater than or equal to 2, count plus plus I am taking. So system dot out dot println of C I am taking. That's all. Yes, you can see all the test cases are passed and submit the code for final approval. So all the test cases are passed or not? Yes, successfully all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java, sir. Okay, so let me copy paste this code. So let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Python, we will see now. So how to implement in Python? Sir, in Python, this kind of situation is not required. We have one inbuilt data type is there for that. The people who are coming from Python background, they can understand. Dictionary concept is there. Sir, I am taking n is equal to input. List is equal to, sir, int of I for each I value in input dot split I am taking. Okay, I am reading all the values. So dictionary is equal to initially empty and count is equal to 0. Sir, for each element present in the list, one by one item I am selecting. Then d of I is equal to, sir, d dot get of I. Suppose if element is already available, it will take its count. If it is not available, take 0 plus 1 you have to take. Remember carefully, if you print d value, observe carefully what will happen. Have you observed? 1, how many times it is repeated? 2 times. 2, how many times it is repeated? 2 times. 3, how many times it is repeated? 1 time. Like that it will maintain a dictionary, friends. Okay, so how to get that values? How to get that values? I am commenting this. Now count is equal to already 0 we have taken. For each I value in d dot items, sorry, d dot values, it will take all the values one by one. If that value is greater than or equal to 2, we have to increment the counter or not? Yes, finally we have to print that counter, sir. Beyond that nothing is there. See here, if we have elements like 1 2 1 2 3 like that, so dictionary is initially empty. Okay, so d of I is equal to, so d of I is equal to, d of I means, sir, d of what is the I value? 1 first time is equal to, sir, d of I dot d dot get of I. Is this one is there in the dictionary or not? Initially dictionary is empty, one is not there, so it will take default value as a 0 plus what is its value next? 1. So d of 1 will become 1. One entry will be created. 1 is repeated one time. Next it will take second element. So d of 2 is equal to, I am taking d dot get of 2. Is 2 is there in the dictionary? No. Then it will take 0 plus 1. It will become 1. Sir, 2 and we are getting its value as a 1. Next 1. So d of 1, already d of 1 is there, so its value is already there 1. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2, it will update it to 2. Clear? Please confirm. Clear, Pratik? Yes. So let me run the code now. So working properly and submit the code for final approval. Yes, d dot get will get the value from the dictionary. The people who are coming from Python background, they can understand this. D dot get, it will get, so whatever value is there for this I, if value is not there, it will return 0. Clear? Yes, yes, correct, Shushant. Yeah, sir, any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yeah, you can implement that in Java also. By using map, you can implement. Yes. Now, sir, let me go for the next program, sir. What is my next program here is 1 minute. Yeah, so many doubts are coming. Is there any chance of using set? No, no, no. I'm not talking about individual elements. I'm talking about key and values. That's why compulsory we have to take. If you take set, what will happen? It will store only one value, either key or its count. Any one thing you can store. Clear, Lokesh? Yeah, we can do that, but set means what? Suppose if I have elements like this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, if you push it into the set, it will have only 1, 2, 3. How you can able to subtract? Lokesh. So you are talking about the previous program. That's what I am telling. See, we okay, okay. I can understand. Okay, okay. But again, it is it is a risky process, right? In C language, we can't do that. You have to go for Java. In Java, you can use that concept. Yeah, new concept. Very good. Yeah, in Python, it will become very easy. Yes, very good. Lokesh has given one new logic and excellent logic. I have to update this logic. Super friend. Very good. So what is a Lokesh intention is, observe carefully, friends. Sir, you are telling you need to read the elements and you have to count duplicates. So you have accepted this. Let me convert it into set. Okay. Sir, S is equal to set of list. I am converting into list. Sorry, set. So what is the nature of set is nothing but it will remove the duplicates, sir. So you can find length of list minus length of set. So that is our requirement or not? Yes, count only we required. Some test cases are failing. So 1, 1, 1, 2 is there. If you convert it into set, we will get 1, 2. So here list contains 4 elements, set contains 2 elements. 2 elements are duplicated. No, one element is no, it won't work. I think so. Please cross check it once. It won't work out. Or you can take one common element, but we don't know how many common elements are there. Yeah. Okay, no issues. Of course, you tried. That's all. No need for sorry. Okay. Yes. Sir, let me go for next one. Print unique elements in the array. Of course, same concept, sir. Okay. Sushant, what is your question? For entry, integer, entry, map, entry, set. For entry, integer, comma, integer, entry, map dot entry set. See, in the map, we have some entries will be there. If you are coming from Java background, you can able to get. So in the map, I'm getting all the entry values. So for each and every entry present in this map, I'm storing that into a temporary variable called entry, where entry means key and then value. Key is integer, value is integer. Clear, Sushant? If you know collections very well, you can move. Otherwise, don't go, because it will kill your previous content. Okay. Entry is the name. Entry is the interface which is available. Capital E. This one is nothing but the variable name. Yeah. Sir, we will talk about this later. It is irrelevant. Okay. Sir, print unique elements in the array. So implement a program to find unique elements present in the array. Of course, same like previous program. Suppose if I have elements like this, sir, we have to print only unique elements 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. So how you can able to implement? Of course, I am going to take a C program, direct example. So from the example, I will give explanation. You will get a clarity. Observe carefully how I am going to do that. So LBP number 130. Observe carefully, friends. So first I am taking C language. So what is your requirement here? So we have to take integer n, e of 100 I am taking, ij variables are required. Sir, scanf, percentage d comma, I am reading size of the array. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So scanf, percentage d comma, ampersand e of I am taking. Okay. Now, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, sorry, for j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. So I'm comparing the first element with the second element. Okay. So the first loop will generate every element, sir. For example, if we have 1, 1, sir, 2, 2, 3, first it will select the first element. Now I'm comparing this element with remaining all the elements. Okay. Suppose consider if this element is not available, remember carefully. So consider I have 11 is there. Is it matched here? No. 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 Sir, j value starting from I plus 1 to n. Sir, j value is nothing but 0 here. Sir, j value is nothing but 1 here. How many times j value got incremented? 1. So 2, 3, 4. The value of j will become 4. J value is 4 means what? How many elements are there? 4 elements. If the value of j is double equal to n, that means all the comparisons I have done, there is no such type of element in the list. Contradiction. Suppose if you take 1, Sir, 1 is repeated, right? If it is repeated, I will stop this loop so that it won't be equal to 4. Are you getting my point? This logic I am applying here. Observe carefully. If your A of I is double equal to, sir, A of J, then I want to stop the process. Otherwise, I will check whether the value of J is double equal to N or not. If not, if it is equal to N, yes, that element is nothing but unique element what we have. Okay. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So let me run the program and cross check whether it is working or not. Yes, beautifully working. Yes. So same logic I want to implement even in Java, sir. Let me go for Java implementation. So how you can able to implement in Java? Let me take same problem. Yes. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of within bracket system dot in. So integer n comma I comma j, n is equal to obj dot, I am taking next int I comma j, I am taking. Now for we have to create array, right? Integer a is equal to new integer of n. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Okay. So next and after that, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am checking. For j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus, I am taking. So if the value of a of I is double equal to a of j, then I am going to stop the loop. If the value of j is equal to n, then system dot out dot print of I want to print the value of system dot out dot print of I want to print a of I. That's all right. That element is unique element which we have. Perfect. And submit the code. All the test cases are satisfied. Now I want to implement the code in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Python? N is equal to, I am taking int of input. L is equal to, I am taking int of I for each I value in input dot split. So now I am taking another list LL. I am taking another list LL. Sir, for each I value in L, if I is not there in LL, if I value is not there in LL, then LL dot append of I. If it is not there, I am appending. If it is there, I won't append. So finally, the elements present in LL will be the unique elements or not? Yes, of course. These elements will be unique elements. Let me run the code. Perfectly working. This is nothing but how you can able to implement it. So please confirm any doubts up to this, friends. Yes, I am requesting everyone to please respond. Any doubts up to this? Yes. So that's all about today's session. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow at 7:30. Thank you guys. You can leave the session.